Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel Financial Radio. In this video, we will be discussing about the important updates we have today in the live market. Today we have an interesting update from the Indian Railways regarding the association with US agency. So we will discuss the details in this video. And we also have another important update from Suzlon stock. We will discuss the details. And we will be discussing about a new IPO launch from the payments app MobiKwik. So we will discuss these details in this video. Before doing that, let's check Nifty 50 and Bank Nifty closings and how they reacted today. So when coming to Nifty 50, it closed at 21,709 points. It made a day high of 21,749 points. It made a day low of 21,629 points. So initially after opening a gap up, Nifty take resistance at 750 level, and after that a sharp selling has been seen. But 21,660 level has been a support for the Nifty in the first half of today. But the support has been broken and a sharp selling has been seen. But a quick V-shaped recovery can be seen in the market. So when coming to Bank Nifty made a closing at around 48,089 points. It made a day high of 48,381 points and it made a day low of 47,822 points. So when coming to the reaction, market opened a flat gap up in Bank Nifty and after that a double top formation has been seen. But after breaking the day low, a sharp selling can be seen until the 48,000 level, which was acting as a support. So the support hold the market for some more time, but at around 2 p.m. market gave a breakdown and a sharp selling has been seen again. But the selling didn't continue. A sharp V-shaped recovery is seen in the market in the closing time. So buyers and sellers both trapped today in the market. Today we have got some groundbreaking news regarding the Indian Railways. The Union Cabinet has just given the green light to a memorandum of understanding between Indian Railways and the United States Agency for International Development. Buckle up the seats as we dive deep into the details. So back in June 2023, Indian Railways and USAID joined hands to pave the way for a greener, more energy efficient railway system. Fast forward to today, and the Union Cabinet has given its NOD to this game-changing memorandum of understanding. So what this agreement is all about? That's the point we have to discuss now. The Railway Ministry, in collaboration with USAID, Agency for International Development, is set to craft long-term energy plans focusing on integrating clean energy solutions into one of the world's largest public transport systems. This isn't just about talks. The two governments are committed to developing an energy efficient policy and action plan for railway buildings. Plus, there is a strategic approach to managing large scale renewable procurement, all geared towards achieving the railway's ambitious target of net zero carbon emissions by 2030. But it doesn't stop there. The collaboration includes a series of events, conferences, and capacity building programs. Field visits and study tours are also on the agenda, fostering an exchange of knowledge and expertise to overcome regulatory barriers. Indian Railways have been a journey towards sustainability, making significant strides in electrifying its network. The budget for the fiscal year 2023 and 24 includes plans for ultra mega solar power plants, a clear indication of the commitment to cleaner, greener operations. Looking ahead, the railways project energy demand in 2029 and 30 is estimated at 8,200 megawatts. However, to achieve net zero carbon emissions, the need for renewable capacity is set to soar for whopping 30,000 megawatts. In conclusion, this collaboration between Indian Railways and USAID is a giant leap towards a sustainable, eco-friendly future for one of the world's busiest railway networks. Today we have got some exciting news in the world of renewable energy. Suzlon Energy stock, the player which was been in the news in the recent times, a key player in the wind turbine manufacturing sector, has recently secured a significant order. Stick around as we dive deep into the details. Before going to that, like this video and also subscribe to our channel, and please share with your friends if you really like this content. If you have been keeping an eye on Suzlon Energy, you would know that their stock has been on remarkable upward trajectory. In the last 6 months alone, Suzlon stocks have surged 125%, and over the past year it has been an incredible 283% growth, more than tripling investors' money. Suzlon Energy has recently announced a new order for a 225 megawatt wind power project from Renew Energy Private Limited. This project involves the installation of 75 wind turbine generators with a hybrid lattice tubular tower, each having a rated capacity of 3 megawatt. The turbines are part of Suzlon larger rated 3 megawatt S144 140M series. The project will be spread across multiple sites in Vengayamandalam, Trichy district and Vattapidaram, Tuticorin district, both located in Tamil Nadu. In addition to supplying the wind turbines and overseeing the project, Suzlon will provide comprehensive operations and maintenance services post-commissioning. According to Suzlon Group's Vice Chairman Girish Tanti, India offers a conducive policy environment and a thriving ecosystem for renewables. With one of the world's lowest costs of energy, Indian renewables, including wind energy, stand out globally. Suzlon CFO Himanshu Modi mentioned in a recent media interaction that the focus for financial year 24 is on strengthening the balance sheet. The company is currently debt-free and anticipates positive market conditions for order execution. Suzlon's current order book is close to 2 GWs, reflecting a robust pipeline for the company. The focus now is on the operations, delivering pending orders and actively pursuing more orders in the financial year 25. Today we have another important news from the world of IPOs. MobiKwik, the Gurgaon-based fintech player, has made some significant changes to its initial public offering plans. Stick around as we unpack the details. It seems like MobiKwik is shaking things up in the financial market. The headline reads, MobiKwik refiles draft papers with SEBI, slashes IPO size to 700 crore. Initially, the IPO was set at a whopping 1900 crore, but the company decided to scale it down significantly. Why the change? Well, it turns that the IPO is now entirely a fresh issue with no offer for sale component. Additionally, MobiKwik is eyeing an additional 140 crore through a pre-IPO placement. Now let's take a look at the financial snapshot. In the financial year 2022-23, MobiKwik revenue increased to 539.47 crores compared to 526.56 crores in the previous fiscal year. This indicates a positive growth trajectory. Breaking down the IPO details, the face value is 2 rupees and there is no offer for sale component. MobiKwik is also planning to raise 140 crores through pre-IPO placement. How will the funds be allocated? That's the question. Well, 70 crore is earmarked for capital expenditure, 250 crore for boosting financial services, 135 crore for the payment business and another 135 crore for advanced technologies like data machine learning and artificial intelligence. Let's talk about the allocation process. Not less than the 75% of the issue will be available for qualified institutional buyers, 15% for non-institutional investors and 10% for retail individual bidders. Taking a trip down memory lane, MobiKwik first filed IPO papers back in November 2021. However, due to what seemed like poor investor enthusiasm, they decided to withdraw the paper. This time around, it appears they are more optimistic. MobiKwik's growth story is integrating. They claim to have acquired around 18.29 million new users every year between financial year 21 and September 30 of the financial year 2023, bringing their total registered users to a whopping 146.94 million. Not only that, but they have empowered 3.81 million merchants for online and offline payments. Looking at their financial performance, the company reported an increase in 539.47 crore revenue in the financial year 2022 and 23, with a notable 34.60% decrease in losses compared to the previous fiscal year. What's on the horizon for MobiKwik? Well, they are considering a further issue of specified securities, including private placement, preferential allotment, rights issue, or any other method, aggregating to 140 crore as pre-IPO placement. If this goes through, the fresh issue size will be reduced accordingly. In conclusion, MobiKwik's decision to slash the IPO size and focus on fresh issues signals a strategic shift. The company's impressive user and merchant growth, coupled with positive financial indicators, paints an optimistic picture. That's all we have for today. If you really like this video at any point of time, don't forget to like the video and also subscribe to our channel Financial Radio. Thanks for watching.